What if your oven didn't just cook, it performed? This is the power of steam, fused with convection. It delivers meats so juicy they melt, vegetables so tender they burst with life, and breads so perfect they belong in a bakery, all driven by cutting edge digital precision. And what if I told you there's even a special intelligent mode that has a climate sensor that instantly reads your food and automatically adjusts time, temperature, and humidity? No guesswork, just flawless restaurant quality results every single time. But for real life, with total installation flexibility, plumbed or non plumbed, they integrate perfectly with any existing water system. Full extension racks in every position give you effortless access to total cooking flexibility, whether you choose the spacious 1.7 cubic foot 24-inch model, room for 15-pound turkeys, and more, or the larger 2.4 cubic foot 30-inch cavity that lets you cook multiple dishes side by side, all powered by a 1750-watt recessed broil element and an 1889-watt single convection system that maintains perfect heat and airflow, eliminating cold spots for consistently spectacular results. I want to introduce you to the Wolf Convection Steam Oven, where today we'll be taking a deep dive and exploring why this appliance is perfect for you. Let's briefly touch on some of the best features that convection steam ovens have to offer. This is both a steam and convection cooking appliance. It supports a range of cooking methods including steam, convection, broil, and slow roast, all in one oven. And if you're not quite ready for steam yet, you don't have to worry. You can start by using it as a normal convection oven. Then, as you grow more comfortable, integrate steam, and that's exactly where the real magic starts. One of the best features is the Gourmet mode cooking. This is a built-in climate sensor that detects food and automatically adjusts the time, temperature, and humidity for consistent results. You simply select the food type, the oven's advanced climate sensor indicates and reads the volume, shape, and consistency of whatever you put inside. It then automatically adjusts that exact time, temperature, humidity level, and the cooking mode, and then you're done. It comes equipped with personalized recipe presets. It'll store up to 50 custom cooking presets for quick access to frequently used settings. You'll have a full color touchscreen control, a digital touchscreen that interfaces with your guided cooking selections and simplifies the complete operation. And not to mention, you'll have full extension rack positions, just like a regular standard oven. These multiple rack positions extend fully to provide safer access to heavier dishes. There are two different series to choose from, the first being the M series. This is the M series Professional. This features that bold styling with prominent pro handles and heavier visual presence, and it's designed to match that pro style range in other appliances. This is the M series Transitional. If you look towards the door, you'll notice this series uses a slimmer tubular handle and cleaner lines to bridge traditional and modern kitchen styles. The last M series is right here with the Contemporary. This is a handleless design with a motorized door system for seamless and minimalistic appearances. This is going to integrate cleanly into modern cabinetry. With a 24 or 30-inch width available, this design can fit into any design, both big and small. After the M series, we have two options with the E series. Here again is the Professional. That styling with a pro handle is prominent once again, but there is a wider viewing window than the M series version for greater visibility into the oven cavity. The last E series option is the Transitional. Once again, it features a tubular handle with an edge-to-edge glass door for a clean, integrated appearance. Next, let's talk installation. If prepared correctly, this part will be very easy. You have two design options, flush or a proud installation. Proud will stick out from the wall slightly, while flush sits even with the wall. A 24-inch inset depth and a minimum of 1/8 of an inch side reveal is required for a flush installation. And if you're wondering if you can install under counter, the convection steam ovens are under counter approved. The unit can be installed below a countertop. For the electrical requirements, please see this image from the specification sheet. Here you can see the 240 208 volt 20 amp dedicated circuit with the fixed connections that you'll need along with the location of the electrical marked by the letter E. Next are the plumbing requirements. You do have the option of a plumbed or non-plumbed model, and if you plan to utilize steam very often, we highly recommend the plumbed version. Keep in mind, this unit needs minerals in the water to operate. Do not connect to a filtered water supply, and don't extend or reduce the drain tubing. Now that we know a little bit more about these units, who could the convection steam oven be good for? Serious home cooks who already use their main oven hard and want another real cooking tool, not just a backup cavity. And for people who care about moisture, texture, taste, and repeatable results more than having the longest feature list. And it's a great fit for those building a full Wolf kitchen and wanting the steam oven to match the rest of your suite. As you're watching this video, you may have questions, and these are some of the common questions we hear about these units. I'm not sure I'd use steam enough. Well, most people end up using it for foods they already make, just with better moisture and better reheating. I don't want to deal with the plumbing. Well, you don't have to. Wolf gives you those non-plumbed options, so the install can stay much simpler. And why do I need this if I already have a Wolf oven? Because it does a different job. It expands technique and gives the main oven more room to do its work. Are you ready to bring this kind of magic into your kitchen? Schedule your personal appointment today and come experience it for yourself. And if you loved what you saw, do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you never miss out on our new weekly videos.